Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to upload the PDF for Google Gemini to analyze. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Gemini, open it, and after that click on the plus on the bottom left of the screen, and after that click on Files. You can choose any PDF file that you want to analyze. For example, I will choose this one and click open. And after that, I will tell him, please analyze this file. Or you can ask whatever question that you want from Gemini to do with that PDF, or you can ask about whatever informations that you want to understand more about the PDF file, and Gemini will answer you. And after that, I will click send. And as you can see, in just a few seconds, it told me like all the informations included in that PDF file. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.